Hey, what's going on, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. We've got a clean and sand. It's approximately 800 square feet back patio. They wanted to have it clean. It's in pretty rough shape. We're just using the turbo nozzle. We went through and used surface cleaner on it to get the overall dirt and grime on it. And as you can tell, we're using the turbo nozzle right now, using the 8 gallon a minute hot pressure washer to take care of some of this stuff. Anyway, we're out here in beautiful Port St. Lucie, and we're having a good time. Weather's all right. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain on us here until this afternoon. So we're doing pretty good. But yeah, we're making progress. About 800 square feet, and we're gonna clean all the surfaces off. We're gonna get all the dirt and debris off. They have a problem with weeds here growing pretty quick because the lawn's pretty close to the pavers here, and so getting little weeds and stuff like that growing. So we're using a turbo tip right now to blast all those weeds and everything out. But yeah, that's the project for today, and then we're off to the next one. Check us out at titanpw.com. It's our website. titanpressurewashing.fl. That's our YouTube. Until next time, everybody. Titan Pressure Washing here. It's a recap on a back patio that we surface cleaned and had to use turbo nozzle to get all the little weeds out best we could. And then we also sanded it. They did not want sealing. As you can tell, there's a lot of low spots. And some cracks are larger than others, but we came through and we sanded it and made it look really nice for them. And this is just doing a recap from the video before. You have to excuse me, I'm a little out of breath. It's almost 100 here down here in Florida. Anyway, until next time, guys. titanpressurewashing.fl or titanpressurewashing pw.com. Thanks, guys.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof, concrete, and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit titanpw.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.